This girl in a red dress, yeah, that's not me. I've never done a photo shoot like that. I've never walked along that beach, and I don't even like beer, so that's definitely not me in the bar. Every single photo you just saw was generated with Nano Banana Pro. And here's the good news. Right now, anyone can use Nano Banana Pro completely for free. Let me show you exactly how to do it step by step. Open your browser and type Labs Google in the search bar. Click on the very first result, the official site labs.google. On the left menu, select Experiments. Scroll down and click See More to expand the list of projects. Find the tab called Flow and click Create with Flow. When a small window appears, press Create with Flow again. Accept the privacy policy to continue. Once you're inside, click on New Project. On the left side of the screen, switch to the Image tab. Congratulations! You're now in Nano Banana Pro. Upload your photo or drag it straight into the window. You can crop it if needed. Then type your prompt, what you want to generate. Before you hit Start, look to the right panel. That's where all the magic happens. Here you can choose the image orientation, portrait, landscape. Set the number of generations. And most importantly, select the model, Banana Pro. Once your settings are ready, click the little arrow to start generating and wait for the AI to do its thing. You'll get beautiful, realistic results in seconds. If you give this video a like and watch it twice, I'll release a new tutorial showing how to use Nano Banana to create real UGC-style content with no actual model, location, or product. Thanks for watching. See you next time.